All right, listen up, folks. It's your favorite cousin, Vinny Gambini, here to give you the real deal like only I can. And today, I have an insane story to tell you. But before we dive into this, I need you to do me a solid and hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, all that good stuff. Support my buddy Chris Dallas over at Celebrity Recreations, because let me tell you, this channel is telling the truth like nobody else does. Fake media ain't got nothing on us. So do yourself a favor and make sure you don't miss a single second of what we got lined up. And hey, heads up, there's going to be a few F-bombs thrown around, all right? So if you got sensitive ears, now's the time to hit that back button, all right? Now, let's get to it. All right, folks, listen the fuck up. Tonight, we got ourselves one hell of a day for Trump's incoming administration, all right? We got this brand new Department of Government Efficiency. Yeah, I know, efficiency in government, what a fucking joke, huh? But check it out, they got Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy running the show. These two are leading the fucking charge. And oh yeah, Speaker Mike Johnson, fresh off a big fucking endorsement from Trump and every Republican in the House. They renominated him as Speaker with more love than a damn Italian grandmother gives her grandkids. And listen to this, Trump's strutting his way back to the White House like he owns the fucking place. Oh wait, he kinda does, don't he? But before that, we got some hot-off-the-press nominations shaking up that swamp like a damn hurricane. Florida's own Senator Marco Rubio is the new Secretary of State. Yeah, the guy's practically got sunscreen in his fucking veins. And get a load of this, Tulsi Gabbard. Yeah, that Tulsi is our new Director of National Intelligence. Democrats' heads are popping like a cheap fucking toaster at a diner. Now, folks, you thought that was all? Hell no. Trump's stacking his cabinet like a dream team over here. Guess who he just named Secretary of Health and Human Services? None other than Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Yeah, that's right, the same guy who's been yelling about Big Pharma and calling out every shady move in the medical world. If anyone's gonna shake things up there, it's him. And get this, Trump didn't stop there. He's brought in Kristi Noem as Secretary of Homeland Security, a governor who's tougher on borders than a fucking bouncer at a mob joint. Now we're talking serious protection, all right? And here's the cherry on top. Lee Zeldin is head of the EPA. You know what that means? Time to clean up. And I mean clean fucking everything up. This ain't some tree-hugging politician. Zeldin's got common sense and ain't taking any bullshit. And don't forget Tom Homan, the border czar himself. This guy's been screaming about illegal immigration for years, saying it like it is while the rest of D.C. plugs their ears. Homan's not here to play nice. He's here to put a fucking stop to the border circus. He hates illegal immigration and he's about to bring some fucking order. Every demo rat is afraid of this guy. Oh man, what a fucking team so far. Then there's Pete Hegseth, a guy with more guts than most of D.C. And he's now our Secretary of Defense, baby. He's got military blood in him. And he's here to make sure our defense is stronger than ever. You think the Pentagon's safe from Trump's shakeup? Think again. And for the final kick, Congressman Matt Gaetz as Attorney General. Yup, the big cheese at DOJ, and people are losing their fucking minds. The DOJ's flipping out over there, calling it insane. And don't get me started on the talking heads, they're blowing their fucking gaskets. This ain't the guy they wanted in charge, so they're reaching for their fainting couches. Pathetic. You got these fancy-pants DOJ folks saying Gaetz has no experience, calling him a human fucking flamethrower. Well, let me tell you, this ain't no Tea Party, he's Trump's flamethrower. And that DOJ is about to feel the heat. We're talking about a DOJ that's been weaponized from here to kingdom fucking come. But did anyone give a damn when Obama's buddy Eric Holder was in charge? Hell no, he's just Obama's wingman. No one blinked when Holder was kicking people when they were down. Remember that? When they go low, we kick 'em, he says. Real fucking nice, huh? And speaking of that guy Holder, where the fuck was the outrage when he ran that whole Mexican gun-running fiasco, huh? A U.S. border agent ended up dead. What about him spying on reporters from the AP and Fox News? The press went all quiet on that one like they had fucking laryngitis or something. Let's get real here, all right? Did any of these news people lose sleep over Trump getting spied on? Over some dirty-ass dossier cooked up by the fucking Clintons? Hell no. These hacks ate it up like it was Thanksgiving dinner. And they're still running their fucking mouths, even though we know the whole thing was bogus. But when it comes to Gaetz, suddenly they're losing their fucking minds over it. Hypocrisy, folks. If it was a sport, these people would have gold fucking medals by now. And remember the Hunter Biden laptop? We had 51 so-called experts who never even saw the damn fucking thing, claiming it was Russian disinformation. Just weeks before an election. Did anyone hold them accountable? Hell no. And let's talk about Joe Biden and his classified docs stashed all over the fucking place. But do they get a raid? Nah, just a friendly little, how's it going? Meanwhile, Hillary fucking Clinton, she's deleting emails like she's cleaning out her fucking spam folder, bleach bit hammers, smashed up phones like a fucking mob hit, wiping out evidence left and right. Did anyone on the left care? Or nope, they just nodded along like they were hypnotized. But oh, Trump gets hit with 34 illegal felony charges for some trumped-up nonsense from years ago? Give me a fucking break. And here's the kicker, all right? They labeled Catholics and pissed-off parents at school board meetings as terrorists. Meanwhile, peaceful pro-life folks are treated like fucking Al Capone. Look, we've seen years of corruption, spying, bias, Harris, Biden, Obama, DOJ, you name it. They've weaponized the whole fucking justice system. And now we're all supposed to gasp because Matt Gaetz is coming in to clean house? These people don't want justice. They want a one-way fucking street, and Trump and his team ain't having any of it. The American people saw right through all the smoke and mirrors. We didn't fall for the celebrity endorsements, the concerts for Kamala. None of that shit. And speaking of celebrities, they weren't there because they wanted to be there. They were there because they got paid. Yeah, you heard me right. Oprah got $1 million. Eminem got $1.9 million. Beyonce got 20 fucking million, and the list goes on. They blew 1.3 fucking billion on this campaign. Can you fucking believe that? And you know what else? Almost 600 fucking million went to staff. Trump's staff? They only got 10 million. You see the difference? They're fucking scammers. And now they're in the hole $300 million. And Kamala is in debt $20 million. And guess what? Nobody's giving her a fucking dime. How do you like them demo rats now, Kamala la 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 la? They're giving her the cold shoulder everywhere she goes. The people? They want real change, not this Washington swamp business as usual shit. That's why Gaetz is the new top dog at DOJ, all right? He's Trump's pick because he's got no fear. He's challenged the demo rats many times. He ain't part of the swamp, and he's gonna flip the whole fucking place on its head. Trump's got a mandate, folks. He's here to bring justice back to the land, not this justice they've been peddling, but the real deal. Equal fucking justice. The kind that doesn't play favorites. He's taking out the trash, fixing the mess. The FBI, the DOJ, they're getting back to what they used to be. Yeah, once upon a time, these were the best in the world. Let's make them that way again. Now, I ain't saying Republicans should go after Democrats the same way they went after Trump, although it would be fucking nice. But I'm saying nobody should ever have to go through the fucking shit that Trump and his supporters went through. And what's Trump doing lately? Oh, he was back at the White House shaking hands with Sleepy Joe, two old rivals having a chat. And no, Sleepy Joe didn't fall asleep this time. He was actually awake and talking with Trump the whole time. Can you believe it? Who the hell knows what the future holds, huh? But if I were Biden, I'd be real fucking careful because the tables, they just might be turning. All right, that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for sticking around to the end. And if you haven't done it already, subscribe, like, comment, and share the hell out of this video. Chris Dallas and Celebrity Recreations are putting in the work to bring you the truth like nobody else can, telling it like it is, and giving you the best fucking content out there. So hit that share button and let the world know Vinny Gambini's here to set them straight. All right? Now go spread the fucking word, because I'm out of here.